Guys, we literally had this predicted 2 weeks ago. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the Moon Fun channel, where we are funding our bags to go to the moon. In today's video, what I'll actually be doing is covering my plan and what I think will happen with XLM Stellar Lumens. If you are a XLM Stellar Lumens holder, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be covering why we crashed, what happened because of the crash, what will happen in my opinion in the future as well. So it's going to be an absolutely jam-packed video, so make sure you watch till the end. Also guys, I am doing a giveaway on the channel. I'm giving away $50 worth of XLM Stellar Lumens. All you need to do to enter is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below, and you'll be entered automatically. I'll be announcing the winner very soon, so make sure you look out for that. Also guys, make sure you join the Discord group. We have many discussions and live updates on the Discord group, and we have a really nice community. You guys can message me as well, so it's all good. Link is in the description down below. But anyways guys, let's not waste any more time, let's get right into it. Right guys, you know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. These are just my opinions, not at all investment advice. But guys, I made a video 2 weeks ago. I literally told you guys that if XLM Stellar Lumens does not break the trend line, we might be seeing a very nice movement to the upside, testing this very important trend line. And we absolutely did in the past as well. Whenever we test the trend line, we get rejected very badly. And guys, this pattern is almost the same, where we see that rejection, we come back up, we get rejected again, and then we come back up. Same in this area right here, where we got rejected, came back up, and then we are getting rejected again. However guys, this is because of the Bitcoin crash. I will be covering why that happened. Well, essentially what I want to add right now is that I also talked about this very important trend line that we were forming on the XLM Stellar Lumens chart, and if we actually break it, we will be seeing a very large decrease, and we will actually be testing the 0.618 to 0.5 level. And we actually did, which is insane, and we bounced back. So guys, whoever listened to me 2 weeks ago, I mean, I know it's not financial advice, whoever listened to what I was saying, congratulations, you weren't panicking, you knew what was going on. However, if we actually get into the Bitcoin chart right now, we can see this is on the day chart, so we can see that for 2 days straight we are seeing these two big candles right here, and we've actually gone down at around minus 20% at one point, which is insane for Bitcoin. And you guys might be wondering, okay, why did this crash happen? Well, there were a number of factors which actually led to the crash. Firstly, there was Elon Musk actually tweeted, and he said that Bitcoin and Ethereum do seem high, which is absolutely insane. And the fact that he actually announced that he added $1.5 billion of Bitcoin just 2 weeks ago is crazy why he would say that. But at the end of the day, that is Elon Musk. He did do this before as well. In May 2020, he tweeted out saying that the Tesla stock was too high, which actually decreased the share by 10%. So Elon Musk has a track record of this. We know that Elon Musk loves to play around and troll, and that I think might be one of the factors why we actually saw the decrease. And guys, this chart is actually very interesting, because we saw that the news about Tesla announcing that $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin absolutely got us above that 50k level. And now as soon as Elon Musk tweeted that it's too high, we saw that dip right there. And guys, this is not all because of Elon Musk. There has been other news as well, where the treasury, everyone's favorite Yellen, she criticized Bitcoin again. It's inefficient and highly speculative. And if you actually read a bit on this, she's saying that it is a inefficient form of digital currency that is often used for illegal transactions, and people should be careful because it's extremely volatile, and she worries about the potential losses that the investors could suffer. And guys, I'm not going to give my opinions on what I think. Make of it what you want, but I do think this is one of the reasons why we saw that dip in the Bitcoin. And there is one thing that not many people are mentioning, which is I found this article right here, and which actually talks about the F2 pools and how they affected Bitcoin, where it says that the F2 pool, Bitcoin mining pool, sent 3,633 Bitcoins in a single transaction out of their Bitcoin mining wallet right onto the exchange. They literally just dumped this Bitcoin in a very short period of time onto these exchanges. And it is unknown if F2 pool were also shorting Bitcoin to capitalize on the price falling. We don't know that, but we do know that there are many new people in the market, and money money is easily panicked, so people probably panic sold as well, which at the end of the day leads to huge amounts of bitcoins flooding towards exchanges, and this actually leads to a snowball effect where everyone is just selling and it floods the exchanges with a lot of bitcoin. So I think that is one of the reasons why bitcoin actually saw a decrease. Now guys, this is a very nice article. Make sure you read up on it because it goes on about the history of F2 pools and all that information, because I want to get right into it. And what I'm going to be doing now is actually talking about what I think will happen in the future. Now guys, again, this is just my opinion. The market is 50-50. We all know that my prediction can be absolutely wrong, but I will give you guys a few scenarios which might be interesting for you to see. Now guys, you probably were wondering what these lines mean on the Bitcoin chart, and I'll explain everything. And I'm actually on the 1-day chart at the moment, and our proper bull run actually started in Q4 of 2020, and we are seeing a very nice trend line for Bitcoin right here. And guys, I always love to do this. I always go in the past, see what happened in the past, and try and compare that with the future, and so far it's been quite successful. And guys, what has happened is whenever we see this Bitcoin move upwards and make newer highs, it tests this very large resistance and then it actually comes down. It's like a magnet. It always goes and tests the trend line. And if we actually look at Bitcoin right now, we are quite a bit far away from the trend line, and we have tested that 58k level and we got rejected. And now what I think can happen is between two things, right? So this can affect altcoins by a very large amount, so make sure you pay attention to what I'm about to say, right? Essentially, if Bitcoin starts consolidating and moving slowly to actually reach that trend line, so it does something like this will be very good for altcoins, because altcoins love it when Bitcoin is consolidating and not making many crazy movements, because it's a psychological thing as well, where people might be wondering, Bitcoin is quite stagnant at the moment, where can we put our money to actually make some gains? Okay, so then we see a rush of people come into altcoins and they pump it up. We see very large increases for altcoins. So that would be a very nice scenario where Bitcoin just decides to consolidate for a bit to actually meet the trend line and then make its move up. However, what we can see right now is, because we are quite a bit far away from the trend line, we haven't been this far away in the past, which actually brings the question, where is Bitcoin going to come down as fast as it went up, where we'll see something like this, where Bitcoin absolutely, instead of taking weeks to come down, it actually comes down in 1 to 2 weeks. And I think if Bitcoin actually comes down very fast, that will not be good for altcoins, because people will actually go into a selling frenzy where people will think, okay, this is it, the bull run is over, and people are going to sell their altcoins because they're worried that Bitcoin is dumping, and they'll just start selling, which might actually make us go to that very magical 27-cent target. And I'll tell you why this 27-cent target is so amazing. I always said that this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is a very magical number for XLM Stellar Lumens. It loves this area, and I think if Bitcoin decides to do that, we might see something like this, where we're testing the 0.618 level and we consolidate for a bit to actually start off the alt season. Now, if you guys don't understand what the alt season is, it's essentially when Bitcoin actually loses much of its dominance and people start shifting to altcoins, and that's where we see that absolutely crazy movements to the upside. And I think this will play out if Bitcoin dumps very soon. We will see a very short-term crash for the altcoins. However, in my opinion, I believe after a few days or weeks, we might see the alt season start and these altcoins start absolutely going parabolic. So these are the two scenarios that I've actually mentioned right now. I'll just recap if you guys didn't understand. Essentially, if Bitcoin dumps very quickly, we might see a short-term loss for these altcoins, and then that's when we'll see them recover and go into the alt season. However, if we see Bitcoin slowly consolidate for a few days or weeks to actually test the trend line and actually use it as support, then in this time frame we might see these altcoins consolidating as well, waiting for Bitcoin to actually get in that consolidation zone. And then after a few days we might see the altcoins absolutely go parabolic then. So these are the two scenarios which might happen in my opinion. Of course guys, I can be wrong, you can't always be right. I did have very nice predictions in the past. However guys, this is crypto. This is very hard to predict, but I try my best to actually share my information with you guys to actually just let you know what I think will happen, and we can always have these discussions in the Discord group or in the comment section down below, and I'm always open to hear you guys' ideas. And that's, I think, all I wanted to say about XLM and what it might do. If you're asking me what my buy zone is, then it will probably be that magical 27 cent area right here, or I'll be monitoring Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts, you know, getting into this consolidation channel and I see that confirmation for these altcoins that, you know, they are picking volume, the indicators, you know, start telling me that now's a good time to buy, then I will be going in. But the main thing which I'll actually use to help myself is to look at if XLM will actually break this trend line and actually use it as support, right? If we actually go for the retest on this trend line and we get rejected, then that will be a bearish sign. However, if we actually break it, then I'll have the confirmation that, okay, we have that volume and we can reach higher highs. So guys, that has been my prediction. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you now have a good idea on what might happen. You know, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, join the Discord group. To enter the giveaway, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you think is happening right now. But that's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support on the channel, and I'll see you on my next video.